Hey y'all, today we are doing some press-on nails. Now these nails are $5 at Walmart. They're the Kiss nail tips, but we're going to be using them today for a full nail. Right now I'm just measuring the nails to make sure they fit.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
So right now we're going to file down the corners of the nail to make them fit our nail bed properly. As you can see, they have like sort of a square shape. We need to round that out a bit.
Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Kiss does have full nail tips that they say are long, but they are not as long as these ones that we are using today.
Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Now we're going to prep our nails. We're going to start by buffing them lightly with our nail file. After you buff your nails, you want to wipe them off with the alcohol pad, which I did off camera. Now we're going to begin gluing our nails. I prefer to use brush-on nail glue, but this kit comes with the regular Kiss squeeze nail glue. Now these nails do take a little while for them to adhere to your natural nail. You have to really squeeze and hold for about 15 to 20 seconds per nail. I chose to leave my nails how they came, but feel free to shape your nails however you like them. For polish, I'm using the Kiss gel nails that I got from Dollar Tree. This color is tan. As you can see, one coat is not enough, so we will go over it a second time.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engage Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
This is what my nails are looking like after 2 coats of polish. This is before top coat. I'm using the Kiss Gel Nail Top Coat, and I do not recommend this top coat unless you have a long time for your nails to dry. I sat there for almost an hour and still nicked my nails waiting on this clear coat to dry. It is extremely thick. This is what my nails are looking like now that they've dried, and I'm going to apply some cuticle oil.
Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola.
And this is my final result. As you can see where I nicked my nails and there were a couple air bubbles left in it. Otherwise, they turned out great. This is my final result in the sunlight. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.